Automation testing uses certain software and tools to execute tests automatically by performing some actions many times. It aids in replacing people performing tests manually with programs or machines. Automated testing saves time wasted on rechecking again and again and enables more areas of the software to be tested. It also takes time to update and maintain the test programs. Levels of automation testing. Automation testing looks at software in three main aspects: unit-level automation, API testing, user interface testing. Why use automation testing? Automation testing is highly beneficial while testing applications. It develops improved applications with less effort and in a shorter time. Here are some simple reasons why automation testing is important. Run tests anytime. You can run tests from any part of the world at any time, even if you have limited devices or are unable to acquire new ones. Less number of people required. A single test automation engineer can create test scripts rather than numerous individuals performing the same tests repeatedly. Reuse scripts. You can reuse test scripts repeatedly without having to create new ones for each run. It is easy to perform the same steps. Catch bugs early. Automation finds errors, bugs, early in the development cycle, saving money and time to correct them. More reliable. Automated tests work faster and are less likely to have mistakes than manual testing, especially for dull and repeated tests. How does automation testing work? Automation testing uses certain software tools to run your app or program's tests automatically. First, the testers write test scripts. These are much like directions that the tool runs in order to test the software. How automation testing works. 1. Selecting the test tool. First, you decide what you want to test and choose the most suitable tool for it. When choosing, keep in mind, is it easy to write and modify test scripts? Is it interoperable with other platforms such as websites, mobile applications, or desktop applications? 2. Determine what to automate. Finally, decide what test cases to automate. Typically, you choose tests with large amounts of data, operations that occur frequently in most applications. 3. Plan, develop, and design tests. Next, you determine what your tests will accomplish. Divide large, complicated tests into smaller, easier ones so they are simpler to correct. 4. Do the tests. Finally, use the software to run your automated test scripts. You may execute tests manually or utilize another application to control them. 5. Update tests periodically. Finally, maintain your test scripts current. When your software evolves or new functionality is introduced, you will have to modify your automated tests so that they continue to function as desired. Conclusion: automation testing employs specific scripts and tools to test software instantaneously and precisely. Automation testing is time-saving and less prone to errors because tests are run automatically rather than employing individuals to do it manually.